Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the ping value comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device by using the Wi-Fi connection with 2.4 GHz network only. Yes, so this is a question which has been asked by a couple of subscribers. So ask me to demonstrate this kind of side-by-side comparison. Let's see friends, while playing the Battlegrounds mobile, which phone will be having what kind of ping value. First, let's go to the settings option to check whether both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz or not. Right? Yes. So now let me go to the settings. As you can see, both phones are having this 2.4 GHz network only. They're connected right now. As you can see friends, exactly same kind of network. Both phones are connected. So now with using this kind of 2.4 GHz, let's start playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see what happens if you try to play the game and what will be the ping value as well. So this is my main focus during this process of demonstration. So which lot of users they did ask me. So previously I did using the SIM cards, but this is my first time doing this kind of Wi-Fi. I think I did do the 5 GHz, not 2.4 GHz. So 2.4 GHz is another thing. Let's see in the 2.4 GHz how much latency we can actually expect in terms of the ping value. So first let's try by the bootcamp drop test. Let's first start with the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see what happens with the OnePlus Nord 2, how much we can actually expect the latency milliseconds. That is what I'm going to test first in this phone, and then I'll try to move to the other phone, which is a Realme X1 Max. So in this way we'll be able to figure out what is happening with the ping value. So I'll try to compare with other phones as well with the ping values. So in case if you're interested, definitely I'll try to do that kind of comparison side by side. Then we'll be able to understand a bit kind of more details. So right now, as you can see friends, playing with 2.4 GHz, we're getting about I think 4 milliseconds, not bad. So 72 milliseconds playing with the Wi-Fi connection, not with the 4G at all. So playing only with the Wi-Fi connection only at this point. 76 milliseconds we are getting 52. So I'll try to do the drop test exactly. It went up to 92 as well. Exactly in the bootcamp I'll try to do the drop test, and then I'll try to see what is happening. So highest was I think so far 92 milliseconds. So 112 the highest. I'm trying to see the highest point. So 112 was the highest we did reach, and 20 milliseconds at this moment we are getting 44 milliseconds, not bad. So 56, 40, 44 milliseconds, 36. So highest was 112 in this Realme X1 Max device. 56, not bad. $48, 28. So 44. So till now I did not see any kind of red indication or any kind of orange indication as well. Not bad, I would say, definitely. So now I'll try to check in the Realme X1 Max how the Realme X1 Max is handling in terms of the ping value. Now I can see 64 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds, as you can see 100 milliseconds. So yes, so this is the thing about the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment. As you can see friends, exactly I'll try to keep this phone side, and then I'll try to use the Realme X1 Max. Let's see what is happening in the Realme X1 Max at this moment. In the Realme X1 Max, we are getting the ping value very low. It's only 20 milliseconds, as you can see, using the same Wi-Fi connection. That's kind of weird. So only 20 milliseconds we are getting the Realme X1 Max, and the OnePlus Nord 2 we are getting about 48. It's kind of really confusing, so don't worry. So is the Realme X1 Max Game Center Game Space, which I'm trying to show you. So in this way you'll be able to differentiate. This is the Realme X1 Max and this is OnePlus Nord 2. I do know, because same size, same side punch hole, and you might be confusing. So that is the reason I'm trying to mention. So let's see this Realme X1 Max, what is happening with the Realme X1 Max. And right now the millisecond is very low. It's only 20 milliseconds. So connected to the same 2.4 GHz frequency only, but in the OnePlus Nord 2 we are seeing slightly low, I mean more milliseconds latency. So let's see what happens now. As you can see friends, 20, 24, that's kind of fantastic. Only 24 milliseconds, 20. So on average it's maintaining around the 20 and 24 milliseconds, but in the OnePlus Nord 2 it's maintaining I think close to 48, 78, 96, 112. It's kind of changing. It's kind of changing in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting only 20 milliseconds. Wow, it's kind of really cool to see. And let's see in the OnePlus Nord 2 what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2, it's about close to 36, 44, 24, as you can see, side by side comparison. 44, 40, 24, 52. In the OnePlus Nord 2, we are getting 52 as well. So overall, by connecting the Wi-Fi connection with the 2.4 GHz, the Realme X1 Max was able to behave really properly. Because it was exactly every time close to 20 and 22, 24, that's it, not much. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, average was 44 milliseconds with the same Wi-Fi connection. It's completely strange. As you can see, 2.4 GHz in the Realme X1 Max. Even in the OnePlus Nord 2 also 2.4 GHz. Same are connected, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, but different kind of ping values we are trying to see at this point. As you can see, even still it did not change. Still the value is same, the ping value. As you can see, still it remaining around 56 and 20 only. Exactly. It's not changing at all. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this one, and let's try the final time. Let's change to the team deathmatch and let's see what happens in the team deathmatch. Whether the team deathmatch will be able to have very less milliseconds or not. That's what I'm going to check in both phones at the same time. I need to select the same map as well. Yep. So same map I'll try to select. So let's see what happens now. In the Realme X1 Max, I'm getting again ping value same, close to 20. Perfect with the Wi-Fi, no issues at all. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, 76, 60. That's not good. As you can see the difference how it is between both phones. So this is one thing, friends, which you can, in case if you are experiencing this kind of high ping values in the OnePlus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below. I just want to see how many users are actually facing this kind of problems in the OnePlus Nord 2 device in terms of higher ping values. The Realme X1 Max was able to have the 20 milliseconds without any kind of issues. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And see you in the next video. And stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.